What we're going to do now is just begin painting the texture map, and we're going to drop this our seam guide into Photoshop and just begin painting. A lot of poser users like to use photographs as references, and that's what we're going to do. We're going to take a photograph of a face and we're going to integrate it into the seam guide and just very carefully paint around it. And the first thing we'll do, of course, is select the face and then remove the face from the photograph and drop it into the seam guide and just begin painting around it. Now, of course, when using photographs for texture maps, you want to be sure that the lighting is good. You want to make sure that the lighting is flat. Dramatic lighting doesn't really work well for texture mapping purposes when you're using photographs. So make sure that the lighting is flat and full on front, no shadows, and occasionally you'll have a model's hair dropping down over their face, so you either want to push it back or have them use a skull cap or some kind of bathing cap.